Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off accessibility on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, disabling accessibility features can simplify the user experience by removing additional settings, options, or functionalities that may not be necessary for your needs. So, turning off accessibility features streamline the device interface and interaction, making it easier to navigate and use. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To start, open please the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that scroll down to locate the accessibility option. Okay, and within the accessibility settings, select please the interaction and dexterity menu. Okay, after that, disable this assistant menu by pressing the designed button to turn off this feature. Okay, and by following these steps, you can effectively turn off the accessibility button on your device. This process ensures that the assistant menu is deactivated, providing a streamlined user experience without the accessibility features enabled. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off accessibility on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.